Hey, what's up everyone? Now in this video I'm going to give you a review on what I think about this as far as my first impressions and something you should definitely know before purchasing this. Now I did receive this from the brand to give you an honest review, and so these are all the parts and pieces that you're going to get right out of the box. And now for the camera, it does come with a front-facing 2060p, so about 2K, and then this is the 1080p for the rear camera. So it comes with both. Inside here, you can unscrew this to add your own SD card, micro SD card, and it comes with all the parts and pieces to mount this to your motorcycle or your bicycle, and extra wiring if you need it as well. Now, the thing that you should definitely know before purchasing this is that it doesn't come with its own battery source. So you can either connect it to a power bank that takes a USB-A. I think it requires a 5-volt plug at the very least, or you can buy a dedicated battery bank and then you can convert the power. So this is a power converter. I think this is AC to DC converter, essentially, using this adapter. So I think it's probably more simpler to use this, but it's something to be aware of. It doesn't come with its own power bank. Thankfully, you can buy these. These are pretty inexpensive now. You can buy rather large power banks for a fair amount of money. There are a lot of different parts and pieces. There are different ways to mount this. They come with a lot of 3M tape as well to ensure that you have really good coverage onto your bike. But instead of using the 3M, you can use these little attachments instead, and the screws, which I actually prefer than that sticky mess. But I hope you all found this helpful, and have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.